Hi everyone and welcome to my place. The only issue I've got with my beautiful flowers here at Prestige Botanicals is they don't have a fragrance. So I've been having a little play around and I think I have the answer and I'm very excited to share. You need to get yourself a little 30ml little mister container, and you can also buy beautiful fragrant oils that are all blended and all mixed and all ready to go. You could use essential oils, but I'm really into the fragrant oils that are all ready to go. What I did discover with the essential oils is you've got to be really careful, and some of the oils are a little bit, they're thick and they're heavy and they can stain your flowers, so just be mindful of that. Now 30 mils, I've got 30 mils of water into here, and with my fragrant oils, and I'm so excited. I found this really lovely one that I've got all sorts here. I've got Casablanca lily, I've got Egyptian rose, I've got, where's the other one that I've got? A dozen roses, and the other one that I've got is, it's called pink peonies, and I just want you to know, they smell like pink peonies. In fact, they smell like peonies. So easy. Okay, so into your little measuring container here of 30 mils, I'm just going to add 3 mils of my fragrant oil. That can go into there. And I always put it in and then just dip my little pipette thing back into there and just get rid of any excess. I don't want to waste any of the fragrance here. That just goes onto there. Give that a swirl around. Where's my wee bottle? And look at that, see, it's nice and clear. That just gets tipped into there, gently, Astar, don't be too rough. And then put the top on, put a label on. I've just got peonies. Floral mist here, and then it's just a matter of misting my flowers. And I want you to know that it does smell like a big bouquet of fully opened, blousy peonies. Now the other thing that you can do is with these roses, what you can do is you can just get your little pipette, and you have to be very careful when you do this, and just a tiniest little drop go into the center of your flower, and just put a tiny little bit right into the center there. Now be very, very careful when you do this, because this one here, I used essential oils, and what has happened, I don't know whether you'll see this, but there's just the tiniest little bit of discoloration, and the petals have gone a little bit translucent, so just be careful of how much you use. But it's a fabulous fragrance. I hope you've enjoyed that. I've really enjoyed doing the behind the scenes investigation, and as I develop this further, I shall share with you. So there's a tip from me to you to how to get your silk flowers smelling resplendently, almost real. See you again another day.